Now let us talk about the customer service. Starting a business, customer service is an important point of it. Servicing include many stages. We will talk about some stages of the customer service. First one stage is to hear and understand the customer complaint with concern. It is absolutely important for us to hear and understand the complaint and the issues raised by the customer. Second stage is to separate the authentic issues through questions. It is imperative for us to separate real issue from the emotional noise if the customer is troublesome. We can ask relevant questions to understand the basic problem in the mobile phone. Next is dissolve or explain the problem, keeping the customer posted. That is, all issues, if possible, should be resolved at the earliest by the in-shopkeeper. It is also important for us to keep the customer in loop for a while. In case the problem cannot be solved, it is important to explain to the customer that it will take time and how and why should it take time. Next is to ensure the feedback from the customer or resolution on the resolution of the problem. Once the issue is resolved, it is mandatory to take feedback from the customer so as to ascertain his satisfaction level. This also serves as a pointer for the organization to ascertain how various customers feels about you. We have various steps that can be taken out for problem solving. First of all, define the problem and the expected results. Then collect the facts and the ideas about it. Then generate solutions. Pick the best solution from it, implement the solution, and then evaluate the solution. This flowchart and these steps will help in effective problem solving of the mobile phone. Reporting and documentation. Record keeping will help you to solve various installation related problems that we may face. Some reporting points are like having a handset repair job card that has to be filled after every repair, which the job card will include the name of the customer, the address of the customer, the mobile phone information about its number, mobile phone model, and other faults that were arranged during the repair. We should also have a customer feedback form that will keep the track of the customers visiting you. Also, a daily report of the repair should be maintained as a record keeping for your repair business.